Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Candy Apple Mystery Pins. These were released in August of 2024 and are available in the parks and sometimes at the Disney Store for $19.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. So this is an 8-pin collection, and the pins feature candy apples themed to different Disney characters. So the pin designs that we can get are Ursula, Hades, the Mickey Mouse pumpkin, Maleficent, Sorcerer Mickey, the Poison Apple, Minnie Mouse dressed in her witch costume, and Prince John. So let's open them up and see what we get. So I have 5 boxes to open up, which is 10 pins total. This is a cool collection, but the ones I want the most are the Poison Apple, that's probably my number 1 here, and then the Mickey Pumpkin, and then of course Maleficent. So those are the 3 I'm looking for the most. And this is kind of a weird collection because it's a mix of villains, but then they threw in Mickey, Minnie, and a Mickey Pumpkin. So kind of an odd collection here, but hey, you know, sometimes the odd collection looks cool. So let's see what we get. See how big these are. They feel kind of small from the bags. So let's see. Our first pin is, our first candy apple is Ursula. All right, so we're starting right off at the first one on the box. So you have Ursula, and you have the stick from the candy apple there, and then you have her hair, and you got the shell and tentacles down at the bottom. So well, these are okay size. They're not big, but they're not tiny either. All right, let's see what we get. Number 2. This one is Hades. So we got the first 2 on the box. So Hades, we have some fire kind of going up around the stick from the candy apple. Very nice. Okay, and I did get these 5 boxes from the Disney Store online. So we'll see if that is good or bad. I don't know. The last few boxes I got ones from online, and they were good. So see if we can keep that up. All right, pin 3, we have, well, I see some Mickey ears from the back. So is it going to be Sorcerer Mickey or the pumpkin? It's Sorcerer Mickey. Very cool. So yeah, the most of the candy apple stick is covered up by the hat. That's a cool one. I like that one. That'll go good with my other Sorcerer Mickey pins back there. It looks very similar to the Mickey icon one, really. Okay, so our 4th candy apple looks like very plain from the back, and it's the Poison Apple. Awesome. So yes, this is the one I wanted the most out of this collection. So we have the apple and just the classic Poison Apple from Snow White. And this one's a little different because the stick in the apple, you see pretty much the whole stick. You can actually grab it by the stick there. Okay. So 2 boxes down, and we are at halfway. So we got 4 more pins to go for the collection. 6 more pins to open up. Hey, those odds are good, right? Maybe. Who knows? All right, I'm looking at the back, and I see another mouse ears. So is it going to be another Sorcerer Mickey? No, it is Minnie Mouse dressed in her witch costume. That is cool. So we got her witch hat up there, and she's got the orange dots. Okay. We got Minnie. We've made it past halfway! Yay! Oh, I can already tell from the back, I don't know if you can see that in my hand, but very distinct horns coming off of this one. So that means it's Maleficent. Very cool. So we have the Maleficent horns or hat. I guess it's a hat. Are they horns? I don't know. Very cool. So we now have 6 out of the 8 with 4 pins left to open up. These might be my best odds I've had in a very long time. All right. So let's see what we can do. Can we get a little closer? Are we gonna have a bunch of doubles here? Well, I see some Mickey ears. Could be the pumpkin. Could be. But it's another Sorcerer Mickey. So there is our first double. Put him right there. So if this were a duplicate box, that means this one would be the poison apple. And if you're gonna have a double, that's a good one to have. Easier to trade. And I see a very long stick sticking out of the top on the back, so this could be the poison apple. And it is! So we did get a duplicate box, which I usually don't care to get, but when I already have 6 out of 8, hey, I'm good. This could be another duplicate box, and stopping at 6 out of 8, that's alright. Then I only need to find 2. I would love to get a 7th, or the whole thing. That'd be fine too. I'm not gonna complain about that. Alright, we have, I see another mouse ears. Be the pumpkin, be the pumpkin. No, it is another Sorcerer Mickey. Uh-oh. Okay, this one could be another duplicate box. Is it going to be another poison apple? Ooh, from the back it looks like it. And it is another poison apple. So duplicate boxes are never fun, but like I said, at least I got the one that I think would be easy to trade away. But it's not too bad because I did get 6 out of the 8, so that's still a good unboxing. So those were the Disney Candy Apple Mystery Pins. Which one was your favorite out of these 6? My favorite here is the Poison Apple. That's the one I wanted the most out of this collection, and I got 3 of them. So this was a good unboxing for me, getting 6 out of the 8, but it could have been really bad because I did have 3 duplicate boxes. Like imagine if I only bought 3 boxes and it was those 3, then I'd be sitting at 2 out of 8. But hey, I'm not. So I bought more boxes and they were good boxes. So 6 out of 8 is awesome. So I'm only missing 2 pins. And the 2 pins I'm missing are the Mickey Mouse Pumpkin and Prince John. So those are the only 2 I need to find to complete this collection. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.